over to my property. The guys are already over there. It's like 9:30 now. Of course, I went over there like 6:30 a.m. So I'm a moving shaker. I believe in getting up and moving it. So they was like, we don't see the lights. Oh yeah, those lights there. I showed y'all those lights in the last video. So I'm headed over there. I was in the midst of fixing my nail. It's the middle nail, because I cracked it. I was like, girlfriend got to keep her hands looking cute. So I got to go over. I'm trying to wait for them to do what they got to do, so they're completely out of my way, so I can step in to do what I need to do. It is one thing definitely going to get done today, and that is to get that backyard cut. That is definitely something I am going to get done today. What I even may do is that big, I don't know what it's called. You put it down on the ground and you can put pavers and stuff on. So what I might do is get that and pin it down. I know Flower, God, what her name? She's out of Florida. I saw her, I was watching her video and she put some down, and I need to find out. She said she got it off a TikTok shop, but she got the pins from off Amazon. I asked him about moving the TV from there and put it over there. They say it's fine, so I got to find out how much he's going to charge to move the TV over there. So I'm just waiting for him to get back. So good. Yes, it's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. Okay, guys, so this is day number 2. I told y'all in the last video, I hired some guys to come paint the ceiling and the walls because girlfriend was not getting up there because, no. So look at my doors. They were yellow, now they are white. That's just the dust over. They got to be repainted tomorrow, and that'll be the final painting. Also, y'all, look at my baseboards. I was talking to my sister on the phone, and she was just like, "Where are you, honey?" I had to scoot all the way around, and the baseboards was done. I was like, "Girl, I'm finished my baseboard." She was like, "Honey, you got it going on." So, yeah, and then this front room, guys. The door frames were gray, blue, gray. So that's what it is. You can really tell the difference right there. So that is what they're looking like now. I'm so happy. And in this room here, it's like yellow bulbs. I'm gonna change those to the Edison's bulbs. So I got this closet on. Oh, it doesn't matter. I got to do something else. But I was working in the kitchen also. And this is now white. I got to get that back there. I got to get a ladder and paint all of that. But all of that is white. You gotta like see the difference in the paint, y'all. And then I have to have a ladder to paint this. The doors are done, although I painted the doors on first. That's where I don't have to worry about trying to line them somewhere where. So the backs are done. I did brush over the front, so that is done. So over here, wait a minute. So over here, I have started painting the back. You can see where that's yellow compared to this, and it's white. So I have already started on this. On the washer and dryer frame, that is totally done. So I got to paint both of these tomorrow, and I'm gonna put them, I know they have the track, and I did get the track. This is the new track, but what I decided, guys, in there, it also came with hinges. So they came with hinges also. So I was just like, you know what? I'm not gonna put the track back up there because when you have track, those things stay to come off. So I was just like, I'm gonna put these up on hinges. So I am gonna put these up on hinges, and y'all look at my chandelier. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. So I try to get as much paint off of me as possible. So it's looking good. I did the window and I already put the blinds down. So guys, everything is looking so good. It's looking so good. So I have a client that I got to meet with tomorrow. And when I meet with that client, I'm coming back over here. I am trying to get everything taken care of. High school and college graduation is coming up, so I want to be able to have this stuff done and have it already out for Airbnb. So for my showers, that is for the first bathroom, and this is for the second bathroom, and I have another one in the front. I got to put up a smoke alarm. These has batteries in it, so that'll be a little bit easier for me. So I am so super happy right now. And my sister, it was just like praising me. She was like, "Girl, you're doing such a good job." And I was like, you know, this is like my little nest egg, but we're gonna have a sit down talk of what I did to secure my stuff. Nobody could ever take this away from me. Cause it's called aired property. If y'all know about that, there you go. So, y'all, yes. So, of course, you see the TV hung there, and I was not here, right? So he hung the TV there and put that, y'all, it's supposed to be here. So I gotta get someone to hang the TV over here because, let me show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, y'all, it's dark over here. It doesn't have like a light up here, so you have to use like lamps on this side. So on this side, I'm gonna have the living room on this side. That, of course, is gonna be the dining room. This TV is gonna be over here, but I'm trying to figure out how I can put a desk here because you never know when somebody's coming for a business trip and they need a desk. So I'm trying to figure out how I can put a desk in here. So that is the other thing, to put a desk in here. I have that wall there, but what I don't like, that is like with the coming out of the bedroom, going in the kitchen. So that is like not a good spot. So the only spot I will have is here, but I don't want to make this side heavy. So, y'all, overall, this has been so much fun, so long. I never thought that I would have an Airbnb, and I'm doing this, and it has been, it's so far, it's so easy. Now let me tell y'all, your girl been going all day. I stopped and got me some food from Arby's. Y'all, I have not touched it. I've been going since 6:30 this morning. It's 8:23 now. It's time for your girl to go home. I briefly saw the air conditioning guy came here and we got a new thermostat. So that is, hold on, my daughter texting me right now. So we have a new thermostat. Let me see what my baby's saying. I wouldn't believe what my child just texted me. Mama, it's getting dark outside. You need to come home. I miss you. Y'all, my kids. Child, my kids. They love them some mama, honey. So, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this up. I will see y'all back here tomorrow, and I'll upload this video. I got to go home and edit 2 more Shein videos. So I need to get that taken care of. But in the meantime, in between, guys, I will see y'all on tomorrow. Are totally pearly white. They are totally pearly white now. The doors. So now they are no longer blue, gray, or whatever color they are. The first beginning, so it has to have another coat. The doors are no longer yellow.